Guys, this is how you make the best detergent at home in just a few minutes. Let's watch. So for my laundry soap, we have this. Again, hizi majina they can tell you, but mimi wananipatiaga tu. You just go there, say you need 20 liters of detergent, this is what they give you. Ziko na majina zote. And there's a receipt that shows all the names, but yeah. This is the lavender perfume. This is the salt, money neutralizer. There's also this. This is STP. Yeah, STPP. And then we have the color. Again, I chose blue, but I'll not use this blue. I'm gonna use this one, which I've had or saved up for a while. Now, when you're buying these detergents, if you have these things, you can tell them to omit this. This is in Ozagwa, so it's probably like 10 bob or 20 bob. It doesn't make so much of a difference, so mini tishaga too. But until next time, I don't know, I could ask for or not. And then this is the salt. Naona imemwagika hapa. So probably ilimwagika jana because it fell when I was coming home with it. Ilianguka. So probably that's where iliangukia. So what we are going to do, just like the other one, we are going to mix. I usually start with these two, this and this kwanza to make this soap. But since kuna hii ingine yenye imemwagika, it usually doesn't matter that much. Ndio hii itoke yote. I just leave it here on the side of my bucket. Itatoka too, and then this one we will do just like the other one. We are going to add some salt to it and water, but also you measure the water so that you do not do an excessive amount of water. And I usually do this process almost every 3 to 4 months. So ni sabuni yenye itakukalisha for quite a while. If not, at most yenye imenipatia when the kids are at home, it's like 2 months because of washing the clothes like almost every time. Lazima washinde wakifua manguo and stuff like that. So yeah, but the most it has given me is about 4 months. 4 months, and this is what also I use to clean everywhere, as I said. And also my washing machine, I use this soap, so I don't need to go and buy sabuni ya washing machine kunje. It's safe. This one is safe, and it's the fact that I've made it myself. Honestly, I don't know what happened to the sound of this video, but sasa kutoka hapa lazima nionge. Now, as I said, you have to do exactly as I said in the video. You have to measure your water. Make sure that your water is exactly, if it's 1 liter, it's exactly 1 liter on the jug. Ndio maana niko na hizo jugs mbili. And then shake, put in your salt kwa hii container because it has some residues of the chemical that was there. And then shake, add water, shake everything, and then make sure that the bottle is clean. You can do this maybe like 2 or 3 times. Just make sure that everything is out of that container, ikwe safi. So you see mine right now, there's no chemical hapo ndani. And then we are going to mix everything up together hadi hiyo chumvi yote iyeyuke. All the salt. Mix. This can take about 5 to 10 minutes depending na nguvu yako. But yeah, everything has to be mixed up. Now, usually in this process, I add about 4 liters of water hadi kila kitu iko mixed. Add all the salt. Make sure there's nothing left there. Add in 4 liters of water, and then you can combine the other 2 zenye iko kwa hii container, iko hapo, the round one, not the perfume. And then you also add in the white packet, the one that has STPP, yeah. And then yeah, as I said, measure, and then make sure kila kitu iko well combined, and then we go back to adding more water as I'm gonna demonstrate. This is well combined now. We will add this and this, and then mix. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 3 more, 21, 22, finally 23. And this is the consistency that you want. Kinda heavy but not too heavy. You see, kinda heavy but not too heavy. Yes, ma'am. Next up, I'm going to add this. This is the color that I want, the blue color. I have already added it, just mixing. Let's mix that up. And this is the color that I'm going for. It's a very nice blue. I prefer blue to green or any other color, but to each their own. And then finally I'm going to add my lavender. They didn't have fresh. I do prefer fresh, the strong fresh, but yeah, this is what they had yesterday, so I opted for lavender. And this is what I'm going to add. Yote yote. Also, I have a nails appointment on Monday. Moja ilitoka. Don't judge me. Ooh, ooh, goodness. What did I just do? And there we have our detergent, 23-liter detergent. So I'm going to wait for the bubbles to... Oh, I forgot to get... Oh my goodness. I forgot to get 5 liters for my utensils. But I can still use this. The only problem is that now I have added in my perfume, and how did I forget? Yeah, but I've forgotten. I'm gonna make more. Maybe tomorrow I could buy the 10 liters one and make for my utensils with lemon perfume. Oh, how did I miss that? But yeah, that's how you make your detergent at home. This could take you even up to 3-4 months depending on your usage, but for me 2-3 months, that's how long this is gonna take me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.